Another day, another deal for Palantir. We get a partnership deal with Red Cat to equip their Black Widow drones with Palantir's autonomous visual navigation, as well as warp speed to ramp up its product's production. This is after the release of their latest commercial showcasing the scenario of drone warfare and the importance of Palantir in winning before the battle even takes place. Now, the deal itself, Palantir's visual navigation software, will be integrated into Red Cat's drones directly, as well as Palantir's manufacturing operating system of warp speed. The goal is to allow this AI software to be on board the drone itself, which will allow it to reference up-to-date onboard satellite imagery to provide accurate navigation entirely independent of GPS or radio control signals. This is huge because we've seen this in the recent conflicts out on the other side of the world, that drones are an integral part of not only scouting but combat itself. So the main way to defend yourself against them is to jam and basically confuse the drone to crash itself or lose connection with the operator. And as noted in the deal, this is to thwart that by relieving the need for GPS or radio control signals in case of disruption. So they ultimately wanted to find the future of aerial intelligence, providing warfighters with the real-time situational awareness on the battlefield. So with their selection by the US Army Short Range Reconnaissance Program, Red Cat is hoping this partnership with Palantir will help them deliver the accelerated ability to develop electronic warfare resistant SUAS without GPS. And Palantir solves this already because it will compare the drone's positioning against onboard up-to-date satellite imagery. So they list out the key benefits here in bullet points with that satellite imagery we've already talked about. The situational awareness for the drone allows it to have that and do highly accurate navigation without long-range drift. And then second, without the reliance on GPS, it's going to maintain its operational efficacy in electronic warfare environments. And third is the direct onboard usage of the software on the drone itself, meaning fully offline operations makes it basically immune to fully disabling them when cutting off its online connection. So Red Cat themselves wants to make them the most capable battlefield drones and are seeing this partnership with Palantir as making it come true. And bringing this to scale as well is important to fulfill their contract, hence the reasoning to also bring in Palantir's warp speed operating system online to optimize the production, streamline their supply chain, change management and quality assurance, and then ultimately they're hoping this will reduce their costs and widen their margins, meaning they can continue production. Palantir is covering everything in this deal from the product itself to producing it and making it all possible. I mean, the value proposition there is a no-brainer, plus with their strong dedication to their mission for defending the West, it shows that partnering here with Red Cat means not only that they can, of course, be on the same side, but also have the capabilities that they are exactly looking for in this deal. And the PR goes on to showcase the quotes from Palantir, but we've seen this time and time again. This is obviously intentional timing with the latest Army-Navy football game sponsorship that they've been doing for years, but showcasing on the commercial specifically this coordination of drone warfare. With the direction of warfare we've seen around the world and the United States is upping their game, and they have to cover these critical weak points that we've learned already. And Palantir is already a big technological part in overcoming this and providing a path for the US government and the vendors it works with in a real way to scalably deploy this advantage. But let me know your thoughts below, and I'll see you in the next video.